I think we're going with the first one.
Let's do that. So I've just set up the GoPro right over here. I think you can see that, yeah, beside me. And we're just gonna go for a drive, nothing too crazy, just gonna let this car pass. We are of course going to go a little faster, but not breaking the speed limit. So yeah, I've just bought the GoPro, so time to test it out. And also ChatGPT told me to do it, so let's do it. Let's go for this drive. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the road. This road, if you can hear me, is like a back road sort of, with a little twist and bend, but it's snowing, so I'm not really not snowing, it snowed, so the road is a little bit wet, so I'm not going to go all out. Traction control is staying on just for my safety and for safety of others. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this GoPro POV thing. I'm trying new stuff with the GoPro. I just want to test it out and see how it performs. For the stabilization, it's the GoPro Hero 7. And this car in front of me is really annoying, so I'm just going to overtake him right here. So this is now the straight part. It's a really bumpy road. I hope you can see everything well. This is now the straight part. We're now heading upwards to these little bands. Traction control So this was the little course just like a pass, and now we're stuck behind a car. And I don't want to overtake here because there's a tight corner coming up, and you know, you never know, there's a lot of snow on the side of the road. I really don't want to hit that. And this is it for the short little track that I really like. It's really close to me, and I'll just turn around somewhere here, or I'll keep going. I don't know if I can overtake this car. If I can overtake this car, then I'm gonna keep going, see what's there to see. There's also a fallen tree right there, if you can see that. And yeah, it's really nice here. A lot of snow has fallen, I see, about 30 to 40 centimeters. So I think this is going to be the end right here, when I can turn around, and we'll go, yeah, right here, and we'll go back the same way. Downshifting through a corner, that's a beginner mistake. Going into third. This car just pulls so nice. And the downshifts are crisp. Now shifting into third gear for this corner. You don't need to be in second. Car just pulls out really nice. For this corner, on the brake, be careful. So for this downhill section, I'm gonna be a little more careful than usual because it's really wet. Second gear. This road is really fun to go up on, and not so fun going down, but I want to get both perspectives, see what you like going up or down this, what seems better to you. I think going up is so much more fun. It's easier on the brakes because you don't have to brake so much, and also the downhill stuff is a little bit more scary. You can get flung out of the corner really fast. And there was police just driving by. I hope they don't come behind me. I mean, I'm not doing anything illegal, so I don't see any reason why they would do that. Thankfully, I was driving really slow through these corners. Going a bit faster now. The road is really slippy. Now we're starting to come to the more fun bit. There's this pass again, we have to wait, there's a car coming. We're off. So if you're new on the channel, this is my Mark II Audi TT. I'm sure it's gonna be in the thumbnail. I've taken some new pictures for thumbnails, so I'm not just reusing old ones right now. And this is the fun straight bit. also there was police stopped on the way here, so I'm gonna slow down for that bit of the road because I don't want to get stopped right now for speeding. Of course I'm not speeding, this is a closed course YouTube, so don't delete the video. And yeah, this was just a really fun little drive. I hope the mic works on the GoPro, like it works well. It worked well yesterday on the test run I did. I have to open up the window a little bit, we're getting some fog. I hope the mic is clear. I mean, probably not as clear as on my DSLR camera, but I think it'll work fine for GoPro stuff like this, just point of views. So if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, watch the whole thing please, don't skip. It really helps the algorithm, and also liking the video helps the algorithm a lot. So if I get stopped right now, I'm gonna have it on video and it's gonna be a really fun thing to see. So once again, I want to thank you all very much for watching the POV drive. It's just a short little video with a little bit of an intro. I hope you really like it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and peace.